Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, November the 2nd, 2018. Well, we're going to take a look at the day and the week ending, but first, if you would like to follow me at my blog, it's bullseyetrader.com. You can always like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits, and if you get anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate you give us a thumbs up, maybe drop in a comment, share it. And if it's the first time you're seeing this, go ahead and consider subscribing so that you never miss one. And also, as we're going through here, if you like some of the scanners and software and Holly that you see, you can always try us out. We have subscriptions available. It's very fairly priced for artificial intelligence. This is the link to get into sign up for it. We have standard plans, premium plans. We have plans by the month, by the year. And you can use code Bullseye15. That's with the Z. It is case sensitive. And I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. Now let's go ahead and get into the markets. And as you know, I do like to use my Thinkorswim account on the end of the week. So we'll go through and we'll start with IWM, which happens to be the only ETF that we follow, the main ones that is up for the day. And you can see it's not a big gain, kind of a doji candle, and you can see that IWM essentially has been going up all week long, so that looked nice. On the weekly, you can see here we had a nice week, closed above where last week started, or actually it's just about a tie, okay, and but still below all the major moving averages. So we have a lot of work to do, but depending upon what happens next week, headed in the right direction. The diamonds, as you can see here, basically the same thing, headed up all week. We had a little bit of a pullback today, but after the gains that we had, not a major pullback. We are above the 65-day moving average here. We did bounce off of the 20 and the 8 simple moving averages. And let me see where the 200 is. It's probably way down below. Yep, way down here. So, overall, on the weekly, candles, we did make some headway. So we are, at least going in the right direction. Once again, depending upon what happens next week. We do have an election coming up Tuesday, so you never know. Things might be a little bit slow till then. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be very interested in how the outcome of that will be. Now, as far as the spiders go, you can see here, a little bit of a crazy week. The gap up, a little pullback today. Nothing real major. Up for the week. So once again, we'll keep an eye on that. And the Qs, let's take a look here, and you can see, kind of opened up. We pulled back, we gapped up, and then with Apple's, earnings report, very good earnings report, but was a little bit lacking in the guidance. I thought things might be a little bit weak in the future. So, you can see we are up for the week, but we effectively ended up with a big doji candle, still below these three major moving averages here. The 200's way down here. So we'll have to see if we can recover from that next week. Let's go ahead and take a look real fast at the FANG stocks just to see how they affected that. And Apple was down about 68. I'm sorry. That's our rating we have for it, but you can see Apple was down considerably. For the day. And it came down and pretty much just hung right around there. And Amazon pulled back a little bit. Netflix pulled back a little bit. Facebook pulled back a little bit, and Google pulled back a little bit as well. So that's a quick look at your FANG stocks. Now we'll go ahead and get a fast look at Holly. And let me just get all these to the risk off. And we had Holly Grill had 21 trades today, $3.68 profit, and the risk on profit $8.52. And if we look over here on the risk off profit, we had shorts led the way with the risk off, and with the let me click this here with the risk on. So definitely Holly Grill was picking the shorts out, doing very, very good with them. We had a lot of good trades here, and you can look here. If we look at this, right in through here, you can see the different strategies, and you can see Downward Dog had a $1.90 profit. Cuts Like a Knife was a $1.11 profit. Downward Momentum was 60 cents profit. And really, her only losing strategy was Tailwind, which was a long strategy, and she only lost a cent. That's on the risk on mode. And, so we'll go ahead and jump and we'll look at Holly 2.0 now. She had 14 trades there, lost $1.58, and on her risk on she lost 39 cents. And once again, the putting on the break strategy, we had a profit of 76 cents. And then Sunrise Mover was her worst case scenario, and she lost $1.65 on that. And then in Holly Neo, we had 13 trades for a profit of 6 cents, risk on loss of $1.19. And once again, you can see two short strategies. She was in the money, and we had two long strategies that she was in the in the negative, and two short strategies she was in the negative. So just a different way to look at her performance. Once again, if you looked over here, you could see how many trades she had. This is how many trades she had. How many are still open? It's after hours, so none are open as she closes out every day at the end of the day. And it tells you your profit, and it'll tell you whether the best case scenario, if it was risk off or the risk on, whichever one is doing better. So that's a quick look at that. Let's look at our Excel spreadsheet so we can see how we finished the week off. And Holly Grail ended up with 74 trades this week for a profit of $6.94. Her risk on profit was $14.55. Holly 2.0 had 70 trades for a loss of $2.18, but the risk on profit was $3.22. Holly Neo had 58 trades, $2.33 profit, $1.93 was the risk on. And for the week, we had 202 total trades, $7.09 profit, $19.70 was the risk on profit. So that is our Holly update for today. And I want to thank you for watching today, and God bless.